Hello friends, this is Arzi and you are watching my YouTube channel Arzi Inside. So friends, everyone likes to have a cute puppy with us and like to play with it. So today I will show you my labrador puppy which I have adopted recently. I did not have paid anything for it because I have been gifted it by one of my friends. But if you like to adopt and buy such a pure lab puppy, you can contact me on my Instagram. Recently, I visited to Jorhat to bring the puppy, and I also visited Dhekiyakhua Bornamghar to just have some snapshots. The Namghar was full of religious people on the day, as it was a holy month for Assamese people. We really enjoyed the day and brought this video for you. So I hope you like this video. To subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.